Hello, parents. I am Dr. Pallavi Bapat Pinge. I am a developmental pediatrician and infant and young child expert and a lactation counselor. I help parents in starting their breastfeeding journey and then introduction of solids and gradually navigating and transitioning to family pot as well as dealing with mealtime struggles and picky eating. Yeah, the most common worry that I hear during starting solids is when to start because there is too much of options available and rather opinions also. Some say start it after completing 6 months. Many times in the family, the tradition says fifth month pe start karna hai, and some people say even as early as 4 months. However, the right time to start solids for your baby is completing 6 months because once your baby completes 6 months, your baby is ready for starting solids. So, all the signs of readiness that we want in a baby before starting solids are there. Head control is there, then interest in food is there. They can also grab things in their hand and try to take it to their mouth, as well as some babies even start sitting with support around completing 6 months of age. And that's why 6 months is the right age. Yeah, so when we think about starting solids, commonly it is advised by people around that start with dal ka pani, chawal ka pani, and this is the most common and the biggest mistake that I feel that parents do while starting solids. Because dal ka pani, chawal ka pani is a liquid diet. And the baby is already used to it because baby is right now on a milk-based diet. But we are talking about starting solids. So it can't be dal ka pani or chawal ka pani. Also, nutritive value is not at all there when we give these kind of foods to the baby. And hence, this is the most common mistake that all parents generally do. Yeah, so we have created a meal plan where you get this hand-holding support on a daily basis, where you understand that how to start this solids, what should be the order of food groups. So when I say food groups, there are food groups like fruits, veggies, then cereals, pulses, and dairy. These are the 5 food groups that we cover during introduction of solids. And there is a gradual progression in this with regards to the texture and consistency of the food as you go from one food group to another. So all of this has been considered while making the meal plan. So this covers from mashes and purees to begin with, but it also covers steamed veggies which can be given as finger foods to babies as young as 6 months, because if we want to give the opportunity for baby-led weaning, then that is the way you should start. So giving steamed veggies, fruits, then also transitioning to variety of dishes like porridges, then there is halwa, then gradually we also move on to things like dosas, chilas, having tikkis, and even our family pot which has dal chawal, sabji roti, idli, dosa, sambar, all of it in a gradual and gradual process. Yeah, so we have variety of dishes like there is ragi porridge, then there is banana halwa, and you will see that gradually we shift to combination of food groups in one particular meal, because for having one balanced meal for your baby, you need to have at least 2 food groups in it. So after your baby has settled with introduction to these food groups in the first 20-25 days, we shift to a combination of food groups in one meal.